Dear students, we will recall the properties of electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic wave is in the form of energy packet. These packets are also called photons. We have already discussed the properties of electromagnetic waves, but here we are talking once again in the context of this chapter, where we shall be using these properties for references. Well, the speed of light, that is electromagnetic wave in vacuum, is 299792458 meter per second. It is the highest possible speed in universe of any moving particle. And then the rest mass of the photon is relativistic rest mass of photon is 0, and relativistic mass of photon is non-zero, and is given by the relation E is equal to mc square. We have already talked about the Einstein's mass energy relation, and so if you use it, you can write mass is equal to E upon c square, but c is equal to the speed of light, and that is also equal to nu lambda. And putting the value of c and retaining 1c over here, we are also using the relation E is equal to Planck's equation, E is equal to h nu. So we put the value of capital E, that is energy of the electromagnetic wave, which is h nu, and for c we write nu lambda, and we retain another c. So that means nu, that is the frequency of light, in the numerator and denominator cancel out, so we get h upon c lambda. This is the relativistic mass of light, and therefore momentum of light will be mass into speed of light, that is equal to h by nu, using the above relation. And from this relation we can also have the wavelength associated with the light wave is the de Broglie wavelength is lambda equal to h upon p. P is the momentum of the electromagnetic wave. In this very chapter we will talk that this is also known as de Broglie wavelength, and it is associated with all moving particles. The wavelength associated with all moving particles will be given by this relation for the associated wavelength of that particle, and that is named as de Broglie wavelength. Energy of photon depends on its frequency only, and it do not change. It is the characteristic of the electromagnetic wave, even if it changes the medium. If light travels from one medium to another, still the frequency remains unchanged. However, the speed and hence the wavelength of light may change. Photons are electrically neutral, means light is electrically neutral. There is no net charge. It is not affected by electric field as well as by magnetic field. It is only affected by gravitational field. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.